right.
Here.
Come on,
Okay.
let's start walking. Mama's right there. Look at you. She's wiggly, isn't she wiggly? Whoa! You're good at that. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Walk on. This is the first
Happy, you know, a little nervous, but happy.
face, I think, right, Annie?
Yeah. Maybe one time at a little show, but
Pretty good. Ready?
look at you go.
Whoa!
I know.
Walk on, Tiller. Walk on, Shug.
Annie, Daddy's not going to believe it.
Of the world. There. Good job. I said you don't even know what we're doing. That's right. Want to make a little circle like your sister did? Okay, ready? Right here. We'll make it around your mom. You just stay right there, Sally.
Okay.
We'll make a circle around you.
You're going to go right around me. Look at that.
Look at you.